Okay, so how's it going, guys, and welcome back to yet another brand new photography idea. So basically today what I'm going to showing you simple and more creative photography ideas that I have wanted to do for so long. Today I'm going to showing you how you can do that, what do you set up, my camera settings and everything. So today I'm going to showing you that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin with the vlog. For the next one, what you need to do, you need something reflection surfaces. So best thing is a mirror. So I bought this kind of a mirror. So what you need to do, you have to place a mirror. I'm just going to show you what I need to do. You have to place a mirror like this, and you have to place the camera as I have shown here. So what it will do, it will we have to capture the photo from here, and I'm going to jump over there. It will kind of create a musical cool effect. Basically what it do, it will show the you're jumping over here and you're going to be capturing here the image. So let me see how the photos, let me show you how the photos are turning out to be. Okay, I will click some photos, and yeah, the small mirror didn't work out as good, so I brought a big mirror just to show you how it's going to be looking. So let me just do and try some of the shot. Okay, for the next one, what you need to do, you need to click around 4 or 5 photos as per your choice. So basically what I mean by that, let me just quickly show you the photo which we are going to capture. I saw this on internet, I really liked it, so I wanted to just give it a try, and let's see how the photo comes. So this is the photo. Let me just quickly focus it on. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, so this is the photo which I want to click. So basically what is in the photo here, the guy is standing, this is sat on the floor, and there's 3 hands, just I think there are some social media stuff, so he's just pointing at him. So I really want to try it. So actually this photo was clicked by the Optical Wonders. So yeah, if you want to check him out, I will put the link on the channel in the description, so please go and check it out. And he also clicked some cool little line photos. So this is the photo. I don't know why it's not focusing any kind of stuff, so you get the idea, right? Yeah. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So this will be a background where I'm going to be sitting, and I think my hands will be coming from that direction, because there is nothing that I can do. So I'm going to be sitting here, in pretty much here in the corner, and then I'm going to be, my hands are coming from that direction, and let's see how it turns out to be. Okay, when I said you need to click 4 or 5 photos, so what are you going to do with that? You have to just clone all the photo into one, so it will look as I've shown you the photo of. So if you don't know how to clone, or how to clone photos, a number of photos, just click the link here. I don't know where it's going to pop up, so just click the link. I have also made a tutorial how to clone yourself, so there will be link here, so please go and watch it out if you don't know how to clone yourself. So yeah, that is what you need to do when you are clicking so much of the photos. So yeah, so for the next one, so what I've got, just take a glass of water, fill it up as per you like. If you don't, it's okay. So for that, so next thing what you need to do, you have to just give a nice little background. You can also select some neon HD colors, because you're going to be showing it in the background. So you need something nice, kind of cool neon colors at the background, and I have selected this too. So this is the second one, and the first one is here. So what I will do, I will just place this cup over here, and it will create a nice little cool background reflection kind of stuff in here. And when you'll be trying out something, you can even create a lot of new, what do you say, a lot of different types. You can also go for a long exposure, keeping the background as it is, and just doing some long exposure. The photos output of that will be coming pretty much good. I will give it a try also and show you the photos of that. So yeah, now let's show and let's some quick photos. Okay, for the long exposure photos, what are my settings is basically I am shooting at 1.6 and just shooting at this 1 second to 2 seconds. So That is my max shutter speed that I'm using for long exposure, and I have 36.3, and I'm using also 100 as per settings. So what I have also tried doing for long photo, because as you can see right here, wait, let me show you. My background is a blue kind of colors coming out of it. So I have also tried doing long exposure photos and quickly focus. I have, I have just selected a blue color, blue neon color in my phone, and I'm doing with that a long exposure photo. So make sure you also give a try out that. Yeah, and yeah, if you can kind of create a new kind of cool effect, because you are also doing a long exposure and you are also what do you say, showing the background at the from the blue. So yeah, that's first what is my setup and what I am doing shooting video. So you it completely with that. Okay. As just said you previously, so while मतलब जब आप लॉन्ग एक्सपोजर फोटो ट्राई करेंगे तो बैकग्राउंड रखो। जब मैंने फ़ोटो खींची है इसके साथ फ़ोटो थोड़े ठीक ठाक आ रहे थे, और जब मैंने इसको जब लॉन्ग एक्सपोजर में ट्राई कर रहा था तो मैंने इसको बैकग्राउंड दिया नहीं. आई विल जस्ट यूजिंग दिस एंड माई फ़ोन and doing some long photos. Trust me guys, the photo will come pretty much awesome, so give it a try. Don't keep any background while you're doing long photo. Just use this and use your phone and add some kind of different color. Don't keep it just a white. Don't just use your flash. Just go on it and just type neon colors and find something cool kind of interesting colors and do some long photos. The photos are coming pretty much good, so you can give it a try of that. And yeah, try out with this also using a background, but I mostly recommend you try without the background. Okay.